Hi guys, today the 1st of November 2020. I'm on my way to the black owned business in Forest Gate. And it's raining. Where I get my black soap. I need to stock up on my black soap because I use that for my hair and skin, and it works very well for me, so I'm just gonna get some so I can have extra on hand just in case, as we're gonna have a lockdown for a whole month, so I need to make sure that I have them on stock. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Alright, so this is the 812. I think the speed limit here is 40. This is going into Stratford Forest Gate. So we're in the area where I'm gonna get that black soap. That's Forest Gate, not far from here now. approaching the place here now. These are the these are the black soap that we gonna get. These ones here. How much are them?
10. This one is 10.
Yeah, these are the soaps. They're all bagged out here. That's a whole one. These are the small ones, $2.49. These are all the shea bottles along here. Alright, so I'm heading out. As you can see the sign right there saying going towards Stratford. So coming out of Forest Gate towards Stratford. Emmanuel Church, Forest Gate, right across the street. This area is the old part of Stratford. A12 going to Hackney. You can look at the sign up top. Might be going too fast for you to actually see. Just enjoy the ride, sit back and relax. Alright guys, I'm back in Hackney. So what I'll do when I reach home, I would let you see, I would show you the things that I bought. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm back home and I just want to show you the 3 bags of soap, of the black soap that I just bought. And you get this whole bag for £10. So I bought 3 of them. And these are worth every penny. Alright, and these rubber bands I bought to put in my locks. When I braid my locks, I just put these at the end just to hold my locks in. And then I bought 2 of these bands. These are really thick for the locks, so I could tie them back as well. Right, and these are the henna dyes. These henna dyes are really good. Very good. They're herbal dyes. This is a brown one, that's the black one, and then this is the burgundy one. And the package look like this. It's a lot of henna in this enough to dye one head. Alright, so there you go. I'm going to put those up. Thank you guys for watching the video, the vlog video, which is my very first vlog. I might be doing more, you just never know. Just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.